Hi, my name is Kamyle Stamp.
I'm Aiden Salazar.
I'm Chera-lei.
My name is Rylee Abashima.
Hi, my name is Ailsie Nakamura.
I recommend Hanalani because there's so many opportunities to grow. There are many field trips and hands-on learning experiences that we get to do that helps further your education.
I'd recommend Hanalani because of the close-knit communities that can be found here, whether it's sports or activities, there's something for everybody.
Coming here from preschool to elementary, high school, and now graduating, I would recommend coming to Hanalani because of the community and sense of Ohana culture.
They help prepare us for college. They give us good Christian values that we can use throughout our life. Our teachers are amazing. They'll help us in classes if we're struggling.
The opportunity to grow not only academically, not only physically, but also spiritually in your relationship with Christ. This school goes above and beyond in helping students grow, and the teachers especially really care about you both inside and outside of the classroom, and that really made Hanalani feel like a second home to me.
Mahalo, Hanalani!